Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change dark mode into light in DeepSeek app. First, open the DeepSeek AI app on your device. This is where your AI conversation and insight begins. Tap the two horizontal lines in the top left corner to reveal the app menu. At the bottom of the menu, tap on your username to access the app settings. This is where you can customize your app experience. In the setting menu, find the color scheme option. Tap on the light mode for a bright, clean interface that provides a fresh and vibrant feel. Once you have selected the light mode, tap Done to confirm and save your settings. So this is how to change dark mode into light in DeepSeek app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.